Hey guys, Joeteck here from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook and Twitter, and today we have this really cool thing I want to show you. It's called a solar charger, and it's like for camping. It's a 10,000 milliamp battery pack as well. It is the coolest thing ever. Nothing to it. Solar panel here. LEDs here. This is only designed topping off the battery. It's not designed to charge it from the ground up. I'm actually pretty impressed with it. It also has LEDs on here as well. There are 24 white LEDs and then 28 LEDs that blink alternating red and blue. So that we can show you. So that's alternating red and blue, and that's what it does. But it also doubles as a 10,000 milliamp battery pack, which is great. So you can charge your cell phone with it many, many times. This is a really, really great product. I'm very impressed with it. I've been using it for just about a week now, and it works really, really well. I'll have a link in the description below to purchase it. The model number is ES986. It's 5 volts. And it has 2 USB ports on the side here for charging, and then is a micro USB port here to charge it as well. Like I said, it's really specifically for camping. If you're walking, like camping it, and you want people to find you, this is a good way to actually use the red and white blinking lights so people can actually follow you. If you're, you can hang this behind your backpack, say behind you. You can have it hanging, and then people can follow you if you're walking at night, or especially if you're on the road or something like that. This is perfect for that too, because people will be able to see you with this flashing. No doubt in my mind, it is bright. You simply double tap it to put the white lights on, single hold to switch it to blue and red, and then double tap again to shut it off. Very simple. Hey guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Creative Labs iRaw. Plug it in like this. The inside of this is really impressive. 100A in the Prius. The AC adapter, 1 amp charger, and it's big, and it's made out of aluminum. Okay, as you can see, the backup is complete. Like so. And now you can create the RAID array. I mean, for the price difference between the two,